Now in this equation, A is 1 and B is -3 and C is 6. Now we find alpha plus beta. Sum of roots is equal to alpha plus beta minus B over A, and minus into -3 over 1 is equal to 3. And product of roots alpha into beta is equal to C over A, and C is 6 over 1. Now is equal to 6. Now alpha square and beta square are the roots of required quadratic equation. Now this sum of roots is equal to alpha square plus beta square is equal to minus B over. Now we have find is equal to this, and we write again alpha square plus beta square. We write this instead of this, alpha plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta. We know that alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. We have done in before exercise. Now we put these value. Alpha plus beta is equal to 3 and minus 2. Alpha into beta is 6 multiplied by 6, and 3 3 is 9 minus 12 is equal to minus 3. Now it is this, and the product of roots is equal to alpha square into beta square is equal to alpha into beta. We write this 6, this square, now also 6 is equal to 36. Now we write the equation, required equation x square minus sum of roots x plus product of roots is equal to 0. Now x square minus sum of roots is 3 minus 3 x and plus 36 is equal to 0. Now we again write x square plus 3x and plus 36 is equal to 0. Now it is a required equation. And now we find the third is also, this is third, 1 over alpha and 1 over beta. We have find alpha plus beta of the given quadratic equation. Alpha plus beta is equal to 3 and alpha into beta is equal to 6. Now these we have find before. Now 1 over alpha and 1 over beta are the roots of required quadratic equation. Now we find sum of roots is equal to 1 plus alpha plus 1 over beta is equal to, we take the LCM alpha beta and here beta plus alpha, and we write this alpha plus beta over alpha beta. Now this is equal to sum of roots. Sum of roots again is equal to alpha plus beta over alpha beta. We write here 3 and we write here 6 is equal to 1 by 2. And product of roots is equal to 1 over alpha multiplied by 1 over beta is equal to 1 over alpha and beta. We write here 1 over 6. Now this is the product of roots. Now required equation, required quadratic equation, x square minus sum of roots x plus product of roots is equal to 0. Now x square minus sum of roots is 1 by 2 x and plus product of roots 1 over 6 is equal to 0. We multiply this 6 the whole equation. 6 multiplied by x square minus 6 multiplied by 1 over 2x plus 6 multiplied by 1 over 6 is equal to 6 multiplied by 0. Now here 6x square and 2 ones are 2 threes are minus 3x and plus this 6 we have 1 is equal to 0. It is a required quadratic equation. This. Now we start question number part 4. This is our part 4. Part D is alpha over beta and beta over alpha. This. We have sum of roots as we find earlier, alpha plus beta is equal to 3 and product of roots is equal to alpha into beta is equal to 6. Now alpha over beta and beta over alpha are the roots of required quadratic equation. Now we find sum of roots. Sum of roots is equal to alpha over beta plus beta over alpha. Now we have this LCM alpha beta. Beta is divided here. We get alpha multiply alpha square plus alpha divided by alpha and we get beta and beta multiplied by beta is beta square. Now we write here sum of roots is equal to, now this we write here alpha plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta over alpha beta. We write here putting the values of alpha plus beta is equal to 3. We write this 3 minus 2 multiplied by 6 over 6. Again 9 minus 12 over 6. It means minus 3 over 6 is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now product of roots alpha beta multiply beta alpha is equal to alpha beta over alpha beta is equal to this cancel, we have 1. Now we write required equation is x square minus sum of roots x plus product of roots is equal to 0. Now put this value here, x square minus 1 over 2 and this minus also minus x plus 1 is equal to 0, and x square plus 1 by 2 x plus 1 is equal to 0. Multiply both sides, multiply both sides by 2. We here 2x and plus multiply 2 1 x only plus 2 is equal to 0. Now it is a required equation. Now I solve the C part. This is C part, and we have alpha plus beta is equal to 3 and alpha beta is equal to 6. Now C is alpha plus beta and 1 over alpha plus 1 over beta. That alpha plus beta and 1 over alpha and 1 over beta are the roots of the required quadratic equation. This. Now we find the sum of roots. Sum of roots is equal to alpha plus beta plus 1 over alpha plus 1 over beta. We write this. We only solve this alpha plus beta plus this LCM is alpha beta. Alpha is divided by this, we get beta, plus beta is divided by this, we get alpha. Alpha multiplied by 1 alpha. We write here again sum of roots is equal to alpha plus beta plus 1 over alpha plus 1 over beta is equal to alpha plus beta plus this, we take LCM of this, alpha divided by this, we get beta. Beta multiplied by 1 beta plus beta is divided by LCM, beta will cancel, alpha multiplied by 1 alpha. We write again alpha plus beta plus alpha plus beta over alpha beta. Now put this value and we get alpha plus beta is 3 plus and alpha plus beta also 3 over 6. 3 1s are 3 2s are 6. 3 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 7 by 2. Again product of roots is equal to alpha plus beta multiply 1 over alpha plus 1 over beta and is equal to alpha plus beta. We solve this and we solve this alpha plus beta over alpha beta. We put the values here 3 and multiply 3 over 6. 3 1s are 3 2s are 6 and 3 by 2. Now we write the x square minus sum of roots x plus product of roots is equal to 0. X square minus 7 over 2 x plus 3 by 2 is equal to 0. Multiply both sides by 2 and we here 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now it is the question number 3 of exercise 2.5. If alpha beta are the roots of the equation x square plus px plus q is equal to 0, form equation whose roots are given. Now first we will find the Wright's equation again. X square plus px plus q is equal to 0. First we sum alpha and beta. be the roots of the given equation. This, it means sum of roots alpha plus beta is equal to, here A is 1, B is P, and C is Q. We write here minus B over A. It means minus P over 1 is equal to minus P. Product of roots alpha into beta is equal to C over A, and C is Q over 1 is equal to Q. Now alpha plus beta is equal to minus P. Alpha into beta is equal to Q. Now alpha square and beta square are the roots of required quadratic equation. Now it means alpha square plus beta square. This is sum of roots. Is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus alpha beta. Now we write this is equal to this. Put the values here. Minus P, this square minus Q is equal to P square minus Q square. This is sum of roots. Now again we find the product of roots. Is equal to alpha square multiplied beta square is equal to alpha beta whole square is equal to alpha beta ka whole square. Now we put the value here. Q square is equal to Q square. Now product of roots. Now right here required quadratic equation. That is x square minus sum of roots x and product of roots is equal to 0. Now put the value here x square, and we know that minus into P square minus Q square x and plus Q square is equal to 0. Now it is a required equation. Now we solve the second part of this. Second part, B, alpha over beta and beta over alpha. Now alpha over beta and beta over alpha are the roots of required quadratic equation. Now sum of roots is equal to alpha over beta multiplied beta over alpha. Sum of roots. This we have alpha plus beta. Alpha into beta is LCM, and this beta is divided by this alpha and alpha square, plus alpha is divided by this beta square. Now we write this equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus alpha beta over alpha beta. Now we have alpha plus beta is equal to minus P, and alpha into beta is equal to Q. Now put this value here. Minus P this square minus Q over Q. we write this p square minus q over q. This is sum of roots. Sum of roots. Now we again find the product of roots. Product of roots. Product of roots is equal to alpha over beta multiplied by beta over alpha is equal to, this will cancel, this cancel, you have only one. Now we write the required equation, x square minus sum of roots x product of roots is equal to 0. X square minus into p square minus q over q, this is our sum of roots, plus 1 here x is equal to 0. Now multiply by q whole side, whole equation, qx square minus this will cancel, and p square minus q x plus q is equal to 0. This is the required equation.